How many credit cards are in your wallet right now?
I have 2.
I have 2. 3.
Yeah, I have a credit card, but I try not to use it.
Well, that's not good for them.
It's rough.
I don't even know that much about credit at all.
And then my credit card, I just do, it depends on what the purchase is, like, but all of my bills, like my rent, my car insurance, everything comes out of my checking account.
Well, I'll use the other one every now and then just to keep it running, so it's not just sitting idle.
We pay all of our credit cards like the minute they come in.
I don't know. You have bad credit, you're really not going far, so